of magic is in the air. I feel like flying away, like two kites, just me and you, hooray. Hello, the sun is shining through trees, rays are sparkling. I feel happiness all around me. Oh, what a day, I feel like floating away as a cloud so light. You make me feel like this today. Hello, the weather is sunny, look up, oh what a clear day. Sparrows flying happy over me.
Now, first hour when I'm still working, I decided to talk more about my occupation, about my job, about what I'm doing on my work. Actually, I'm working as a brand manager in international company who works more with fashion brands. So the main task is to manage the product launch processes. I have a team about 6 guys who works with me, who works actually in my team which I lead. So we're responsible of all types of ads, of all types of landing pages, about all types of product pages, collection pages, just whatever you can see in internet by ads and on the main website. So we have about one collection in 2 months for launching. Usually it's super different type of and thematics of collections. Just 2 months ago we launched collection for moms, and it was just for newborn moms, and it was really really exciting and really challenging for myself because I'm not a mom. I don't really know what newborn's mom needed and how to speak with them. So I made a deep research, what they really want, what they're looking for, and create a small strategy for launching for my team, with my team. So we prepared all product pages, we prepared full collection page, we prepared different ideas for ads, campaigns, and yeah, in general I can describe my job like this. But for sure I have a lot of small tasks like check Pinterest with ideas for some sale pages. It's really interesting. Actually, when I describe this for my friends, they say, wow, it's really cool. It really looks like marketing work, and I agree. Because before my brand management role, I've been working as a SMM manager, and I had a burnout actually with this profession because I've been working about 3 years as SMM manager and content creator, so for different brands and for different businesses. And I could say that SMM, social media marketing, is not really looks like you imagine marketing when you are not in this steps. So now I'm working as I imagined 3 years ago, I would say. I hope you understood this. So it really looks interesting, sometimes challenging, sometimes difficult, but I'll try to describe you more about my work task, about how looks my work day. Just let me know in comments if it's interesting for you, and I'll describe more. Peptide glazing fluid by Rhode. My favorite daywear cream, like it. My second one. Smells nice. Well, today I want to try the new hairdressing. I'll use a salt spray. Let's see how it can look.